Oh, Jesus. Hi everybody, Dr. Leo Krawetz, Healthy Feet Podiatry. You guys are probably sitting around at home, bored, playing with toilet paper, jumping up and down, exercising, working out, trying to get in shape, getting stronger, but your feet are probably killing you. Your heels especially. When you sit down and you get up, it probably hurt, right? First thing in the morning, or if you sit for a while and then stand up, like right, oh wow, toilet paper. I'm gonna save that, by the way. Like right here. Oh, that's killer sometimes in the morning, right? It's called plantar fasciitis. It's inflammation of the plantar fascia, which is the band of tissue that attaches right here in the heel. But you know what? There's 5 easy ways to get rid of the pain in the heel, and I'm gonna tell you all about them. Number 1, key thing with plantar fasciitis, you have to support your arch. Arch supports. These arch cushions, Spenco arch cushions without the plastic. I'm going to show you. You can buy these online if people aren't using these for toilet paper, because when they run out of toilet paper, these make great wipes, by the way, too. But we don't want you to use them as wipes. We want you to put these in your shoes. See the arch? Making myself laugh. Actually, this is how I entertain myself. There's not a lot of patients around. But the arch is great. This goes in your shoe. It gives you a little bit of support. It's not an orthotic. It's not custom made, but this will get you by until you can see a podiatrist. You put these in your shoes right on top of whatever's in your shoe and go on your way. And that's going to support the arch so there's not as much pulling on the plantar fascia. That's number 1. Number 2, take a bottled water. Put it in the freezer, okay? Right next to where you're hiding the toilet paper. And after it's frozen, pull it out of there, put it on the ground like this, and you're gonna roll it under your arch and under your heel with some pressure on it, okay? I'm gonna show you here, because at the same time, I'm gonna show you number 3, which is sneakers. You gotta have a full cut shoe. This is a sneaker, okay? And the sneaker's full cut, meaning that it goes all the way up, and it's very sturdy, and it should be rigid in the back of the heel. You can't have a sneaker that's real flimsy in the back. It has to be rigid like this because that supports your heel, okay? Then you're gonna take your foot with the ice, back to the icing, and ice this down, okay? You're gonna do that for 15 to 30 minutes after it's frozen. Mine's not frozen, but I wanted to show you what it looks like because I don't want to get a cold foot. Nobody wants cold feet. It's not fun. Okay, number 4 is going to be ibuprofen. Ibuprofen is an anti-inflammatory. They come in 200 milligram tablets. You can take 3 times a day. But safely, the maximum dose is 4 of these. 4 pills, 3 times a day. That's 4 every 8 hours with food. But if you have an allergy to ibuprofen, Advil, or Motrin, those are all the same product. Do not take this medicine. You can take Tylenol for the pain, but it doesn't get to the problem, which is inflammation. So ibuprofen, 600 milligrams, 3 times a day. And the 5th thing you can do is stretching. I'm going to show you how to stretch. You take your foot, you put it behind you, you put your hands against the wall, and you lean forward, keeping the heel on the ground. You see what I'm doing? Count to 30. You do it with the knee bent, and now I'm going to do it with the knee straight. Lean forward, count to 30. Okay? How's my butt look, Casey? I've been working out a lot.
That trainer's working?
Really good. The trainer's working. Okay. And the last stretching exercise. You take your toes, you pull them towards your nose like this. This can be tough to do, so you can use a TheraBand, which is like a big rubber band, or if you have trouble reaching down, you put your toes like this and bend them downward, and that stretches it too, okay? Then, using the muscles in your feet, you curl the toes down. It's gonna feel like it's cramping, but that strengthens the muscles on the bottom of the foot, and that makes it stronger in your arch. And then, you're gonna put your shoe on. Always wear the closed-in shoe with that arch support on top of the shoe, and then you can go on your way and do your exercises again. But I would recommend not doing anything with impact. So you can do a Stairmaster, the elliptical, or best of all is a bike. So get on your bike and ride. Stay healthy during these tough times. Have fun. It's going to be over soon. And have a great day. And if you like what you see, subscribe to the channel. And we'll see you for the next video. Thanks.